How do we add our Google Calendar to our ClickUp? This is the question we're going to be answering in this video, so let's dive into this. All right, we're going to start by going into our ClickUp account and clicking on the calendar button, which you can find next to the search bar on the left of your search bar. So if you click that button, you will see it prompts you to connect your Google Calendar or your Microsoft Outlook. Now, what you can also do, you can also access the settings by clicking the button at the top right corner of the screen, going to the settings of your account, and if you scroll down to your personal settings, you'll be able to see the calendar option in here. Now, when you click that, you will see 3 different calendars or types of calendars that you can add to ClickUp. One is Apple, Google, and Outlook. Let's say I want to connect my Google Calendar, so I'm going to click on that. Here it lets you connect by clicking the button on Connect, and it also lists all the features that are part of this integration. Now, I'm going to click on Connect. It will prompt me to connect my Google account, so I'll click on my account here, continue. It will also prompt me to give some access to ClickUp. We'll have to do this in order to use this integration, so I'll need to check this checkbox, click on continue, and it will take a couple of seconds to refresh. As soon as the integration is enabled, you will see the message you are done. It will just duplicate or kind of repeats all the functionalities or parts of this integration that are enabled now in your ClickUp, and you can click on the done button at the bottom. Now, while your calendar is ingesting data, because again, it will take some time for ClickUp to process all the events and show them inside ClickUp Calendar, you can still use ClickUp, so you don't have to stop using ClickUp for that time. And for us to see how that looks inside our ClickUp Calendar, we need to exit from our settings and navigate again to that calendar button, which is located to the left of your search bar in ClickUp at the top of your screen. So I'm going to click on that, and now it shows me the full calendar that I have in my Google. So it now imported all the events for this week, in this case, from my Google Calendar. Now, one of the reasons ClickUp Calendar can be powerful if you get used to this is because you can manage your tasks both with your schedule from within here. So in this case, I can see tasks here on the left-hand side. I can filter those tasks. I can search for different tasks. If I have many of them, I can filter them by using this filter here. I can even add and show the subtasks as separate tasks here. Now, the cool part is you can drag and drop this tasks straight into your calendar by scheduling some sort of focus time or dedicate some time inside your schedule for that specific task. So let's say I need to spend 3 hours on Wednesday to work on client onboarding system revamp. Again, I schedule that time in here, and it doesn't let me only schedule it once. I can schedule it twice. Let's say I work 3 hours on Wednesday, and then I want to work 3 hours, or let's say for 2 hours, I want to do the work on Thursday. So again, it lets you create those tasks and create some sort of focus time for that specific event or specific task in your schedule. Now, the cool part is because this is a two-way sync, your Google Calendar is now gonna contain that event as well. So if we go switch to my Google Calendar, you can now see the work on client onboarding system revamp is now part of my Wednesday schedule, as well as part of my Thursday schedule. So again, all the events that we're creating inside ClickUp are gonna be added to my Google, and vice versa. If something I add on Google or any events I create on Google, those are going to be created inside the ClickUp Calendar as well. So this way you don't need to worry about creating events in both places or forgetting to create an event in Google Calendar while using your ClickUp Calendar for managing your schedule. Now, what you can also see from this calendar view, if you can click on all the calendars that are part of this ClickUp or of this integration, you can select different calendars that are part of your Google account, and you can also click on Manage Accounts here if you'd like to add more accounts to ClickUp Calendar. Now, there might be cases when you're using your Apple Calendar for your personal events or for a personal schedule, and your Google Calendar for your business schedule or Outlook Calendar. So you might want to connect both accounts to have all those events as part of the ClickUp Calendar. You can schedule your tasks and plan for your focus time to work on the tasks that you have in ClickUp accordingly. Important and exciting note, ClickUp enabled AI Notetaker recently. And again, what this does is it basically joins your meetings and takes notes as any other note taker. The only difference is now all your recordings and all the transcripts of the call can be stored inside ClickUp directly. This sounds pretty cool, but before you start using it, make sure that you have, first of all, AI Notetaker enabled inside your ClickUps the way to do it is you need to go on the left top corner, you need to click on your workspace, click to App Center, and here you need to type in the AI Notetaker. So make sure you enable that app over here. And second of all, when you start using AI Notetaker, you will consume your AI credits. So in order to see your AI usage, you need to click at the top right corner on your icon over here, go to settings, and then on the left hand side for your workspace settings, click on AI usage. Now what this is going to show you is we're going to show you the number of enabled or the credits that you have as part of your workspace. You can add credits by subscribing to $10 a month, which is going to add 10,000 credits to your account. But again, every action that you're performing inside ClickUp using AI fields or AI Notetaker is going to consume the AI credits that you have as part of your subscription. So just be mindful of that. AI credits are not part of your regular subscription. They just give us 2,000 credits as a trial just for us to test out the features. But if you really want to use and your team to use these features, you will have to purchase additional plans and additional credits. So again, just want you to be mindful of that. But with all that said, now we have our Google Calendar connected to our ClickUp account, and we can schedule our ClickUp tasks directly from within our ClickUp workspace. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope this video was helpful to you, and I'll see you in the next one very, very soon.